We're in Surigao del Sur. No, this is Lianga Bay. This is a cove area, and we're facing the open Pacific Ocean. So we're in a beach resort here. Anong pangalan ng resort ba? I forgot. This is the last resort that we're able to book because almost fully booked yung mga resorts here. We traverse yung directions, coastal area, eastern part of Mindanao. We drove from Tagum, Trento, then that is Turtle Island. Turtle Island yung tawag ng Turtle Island, that area, because it's shaped like a turtle, but there were actually no turtles there, no? Pagpunta namin. So medyo malakas-lakas yung alon, but still okay, no? We'll be taking a dip just to experience yung the sea water of the Pacific Ocean. You go out there kasi Pacific Ocean yan eh, no? Sa mapa, if you look at the map of Mindanao, yung mapa na yan, that area is open. Kung makita ang island there. So this is an area in between Bislig at saka Tandag, no? Both cities of Surigao del Sur, no, if I'm correct. And so far this is the biggest resort na nakita namin, no? Develop siya, fairly developed. Yung iba smaller resort, and we're able to get the last room. Ito yung mga cottages nila here. Ano ang pangalan ng resort? Dami kasing resort, no? We visited more than a dozen resorts here, no? Pagkatapos yung iba hindi pa finish, hindi maganda yung accommodation. At ito naman so far, no, they have aircon accommodation, then maganda yung parking. This resort can easily park more than 100 vehicles. And malapit siya sa 7-Eleven na store. So na ngayon, today is Holy Friday or Good Friday. And walang open na mga, even the restaurant nila dito is closed. So yung mga nakastay will have to fast, buti kami, or you have to buy your own food. You're able to buy bread, no, kagabi. Okay, mag-take muna ako ng kahit na dip dyan, ha? Short dip sa dagat. Experience yung the Pacific Ocean sea water. Tignan natin.